In my last episode, you saw my son Cody fitting these convertible inner rocker frames to a hardtop, a coupe. And you might ask, why would you be fitting frames like that into a coupe? Well, they have all sorts of things that they can put on hardtop cars to strengthen the underside when you're going to put a big engine in them. And the solution I came up with is to put inner rocker frames and torque boxes in them. What that does for you is it really integrates the strength of the car into the car itself, meaning that you don't have these things hanging down on the bottom which can scrape the road. They don't look real good. They're in the way of exhaust systems. They're just not really cool things to see. And by putting the inner rocker frames in there, you're able to put convertible carpeting in there, and then you have this whole thing that's integrated into the chassis of the car, so there's no way, no matter what big engine you put in there, that this car is going to get any twist. So check it out. He fit the inner rockers last week, and now he's doing a little welding to them.